whey to go. Well, whey to go in here to make yogurt. This is something I picked up from one of the people on Facebook when I said I've got all this whey and I don't know what to do with it. And he said you can use it as a starter for yogurt. So we're going to take our normal litre of milk and spill a little bit of it. Pop it in there, and that's got the dog's attention. We add, this is whey from the previous batch of yogurt that I had. And we'll pour in here about a quarter of a cup, which is 150 ml or so. That'll do us. And in there it goes. And I believe this has enough of the bacteria to get things started. So we'll set that off overnight and give it a taste tomorrow evening when it's all ready. Back soon. Continuing on our whey yogurt, the yogurt made with whey. We can see that even though it's got a filter in there, it hasn't filtered, so it's quite runny. And it looks like yogurt. Stirs around like yogurt, but it's very, very thin. So I don't think it's worked out how we wanted it, but let's... Smells like yogurt, but we'll see how it tastes. That is definitely yogurt. Not creamy as we would normally have, but if you've ever had lassi, that Indian drink, this is lassi. So even though it's not what we wanted, I don't think it's a failure. I think Lady Curmudgeon will like this. You can see here, it's the texture of, you know, whipping cream or a bit less than thickened cream. But it definitely has a taste of yogurt, that sourness. All right. Enjoy life. I'll catch you in the kitchen.